Hello, welcome once again to today's guitar lesson edition. Today we are doing melodic lines. It's part of the ear training and chord formation as well. Because sometimes if you do not know exactly what the note is about, you cannot play chord for it. So for today we are doing two lessons today. I will upload them the same day because when we say melodic lines, the note that carries the chord is the melodic line. So when I say the melody, it means the note that spells out the chord for you or a song for you. That is your melodic note. That's the melody. We are playing melody. So if you say we are playing F, we have to understand the melody before we play chord over it or we play chord for it. So training the ear is the first step in music that one needs to acquire. So if you are good in hearing, it means you will be good in music. Either you sing or playing, but it's advisable to learn how to sing a little bit, not too much, but to sing a note. So we are going by singing the notes and checking out the melodic lines. That is the notes, the leading notes. So let's go straight to the board and check what I'm telling you. So please, sometimes we YouTube this channel, we need watch hours, so it's better to watch the video for us. Don't just download them. If you even download, please watch the video for me because I need the watch hour or the minutes that will help me gain something small for doing such work. So please don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, watch the video for me. Don't just download it because you need the video. You download it, you don't watch it again. It will not help me or help the channel as well. So please, it's my request, my humble request that please try to watch the video the full length or even half of the length will be better than downloading the video for 1 minute view. You view 1 minute, you download the video, you create loss to the company. So please watch the video for me because you need watch hour to build up the channel, for YouTube to suggest the video for others to join us, because if people watch it well, they will suggest it for more people to join us. So thank you for understanding me. Let's go straight to the board. This is key F, do, T, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi. So Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. Second string, third string, fourth string, the same, fifth string. Then do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. The second string, do, re. We move to the first string, mi, fa, the same on the first string. So on the first string, la, first string, ti, do. So all that is so first, because in this we will not go to play match chord. That's the reason why my concentration is more on the notes. So do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So let's sing the do. Do, 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 do. You see, try to sing it out. Do, do. Sing it for me. Do, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Do, 1, 2. Let's sing the note. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re. So sing it along it. So do, do. So before we can move to chord or melodic notes or anything like that. You have to sing the chord, do. Because when you sing the chord, you play the chord and you sing it at the same time. We are going to sing a song from the chord, but if you cannot sing it or take the note into your sound factory, even if you cannot do the, just do but make sure it sounds the same degree. I'm talking about the degree. Do, the best thing is to make the sound the same, not the T, O, U, V. That would vo, mi, mo, do, so. No, not the alphabet that leading the sound, but I want the sound. So let's go. So if you want to sing a song, let's use a say mediwa. So mediwa sidako. So you have to sing the song from the chord. Mediwa sidako, because it's the sound of the environment here. So you cannot mediwa sidako. No, it means you are out of the key. So maintain the key. We are saying, let's raise up the song. Let's sing the song. Mediwa sidako. Because if you sing that, then you know exactly which note we are referring to as the leading note. The chord is do doesn't mean we will start the song from do, mediwa, mediwa, mediwa sidako. No. Mediwa. They use the energy to sing from the chord. Mediwa sidako. So what is me? Me. This is so starting the chord. You can see it is in the do. Me. So we are going to the melodic notes. That is the melodic lines I'm talking about. But if you do not know exactly, either it started from me, do, so, or la, or fa, or ti, then how will you back the song? Or you can learn how to listen to the song, the chord, the movement, chord changes. So today my concentration is how to pick the chord. If you go to E flat, so you start from so you can see start from the so. So let's go to our F. It was just an example. Me, which is the da. So when we are on this note, we have la here, and we have so far at the back, the same note. We have this so, because do ti la so, we have la in front of the so, and we have fa at the back of the so. So this one, the main focus is here. You can see there is a small pitch that is higher, not lower. Then back. But if you go here, if you want to go here, da, it will be da, because it means the tone has reduced. But that is the original tone. So when you are on this note, if a note or a chord is coming, we have to know that the note or the next note coming, is it at the next higher or the lower level? So this is the root. So either we go forward or we go backwards like this. So sometimes when we are singing a song, scale do not move more than 4. It doesn't okay more. It sometimes happens, but most of the times either we go to the next note or the next 2 notes or the next 3 notes. Sometimes it will not go to 4. So when we are here, when the next note is coming and it is a little bit higher or higher, as I said, either we check for here, that is la, or we check for ti or do. Sometimes we don't go to re or mi here. From so we go to mi. It is not common. It is there, but not common. So mediwa sida, da, mediwa sida. So you see, it's the next note. Mediwa sida, ko, midi. So me de wa si da. You see, it's a little bit. Me de wa si da ko. Me de me ko me ko me. You can see that the next note is a little bit lower. So if you move here, it means we do not know exactly what we are doing. Ko me de me. So it must be here or me. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 notes. That's so funny, re. Me de wa si da ko. Me de wa see that one too. Me de wa see that one too is a little bit than this. Me de wa a little bit higher. Me de wa see. Me de wa see. Me de wa see. You see? Me de wa see da. That one too is moving. Me de wa see da ko. So let's go. Me de wa see da ko. Me de wa see da ko. So let's go and check out the difference again. So do, and we are singing the song from this. Do. So me de wa see me. Do. Sing it again. Do. Me de wa do. Me. This will be me. No, that is not that's how the song must be sung. So do. Me de wa see da. If you go here, it means we do not know exactly what we are doing. We are totally lost. Me de wa see da. Then you come here. Me de wa see da go. No, that is not what we want. So you have to sing first before search for the leading note. Me de wa see da go. We are comparing. Me de wa see da go. We first here. Me de wa So we are going. It's low. Go. Me de wa see. From me de wa we are resting. Me de wa see da go. So through this will help us build up the chord. But in this lesson, I want us to lay the emphasis on the leading notes. That is the melodic lines. After this, I will go again to use the melodic lines to create the chords. So if you learn this, please press the bell of notification so that when I upload any video, you get the message or the notification that a video is uploaded. And let me use this opportunity to tell you that you just search on this channel, Odeshiye Keff, that is my name, Odeshiye Odehyieye Keff. Again, Odehyieye. Then you space it, Keff. It's my name on YouTube. So everywhere you search me, even Facebook, you find me. So search me here, Odeshiye Keff. Then search through the videos, any topic that you want, beginner lesson, scale, chord, ear training, timing, everything that you need in playing high life music or guitar is available. So search for your favorite topic. Just search my name and search for the topic you like or you want to learn. Being scale, chord, cover songs, chord substitutions, solo playing. Everything you want to learn on guitar is available. Beginner lesson, how to create chords, how to form chord, what is scales, what are scales, and what is chord formation, everything. So you just search for your topic on this channel, because I have more videos, more than 200-300 videos available on this channel. So you just don't be lazy. Search for this, the title or a keyword that you want to learn, because maybe you will request, but I have done it already. This channel is there for a very long time. So you just search for your topic you want to learn, and there are a whole lot of videos available. So let's continue. If you go here, you are off. So if you come here, I will not be angry with you, or because it means you've heard that the note is a little bit higher than where you are. Me di wa si da, 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 me di wa si da. Oh, me di wa si da, 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 me di wa si da. You see, go, me di wa, me di wa, me di wa, go, me di wa. Then if you come here, it means that one too you are lost. If you go here, I will not get angry with you because from here, moving next note, la ti do, it is all high. No, no. You go here, we are below this note. So I'm talking about the high above the note or below the note. So if you move here, it's above the note because we are going higher. So la ti do la, we are going higher. No, you can see the voice is even relaxing. You see, if you come here, I'll not be angry. So you see, you have to know the direction. Even if you do not know the exact note, as a beginner of learning how to tackle these topics or the leading notes concept, it means you have to know the direction. If I say direction, either it's going higher, above the note, or below the note, or above the note. All these notes are above this note. All this note here is below the note. So you have to know exactly where the note. So here is the rest. You can see that one too has become we are here. So you have to move here. So you see, we know the direction where the song is moving to. You see, yeah, low. So you have to know the direction of a leading note or direction of a melodic line. Either it's above the note or below the note. That is exactly what I mean in this topic. I don't want to play more thing. Just use this song, or if you have a worship song similar or praise song, any high life song in your own dialect. Because after this, I'm going to the punch line in the melodic lines. There is a punch line that help to get the chords. So after this lesson, watch out, press the bell. You have the next notification that there is a video, and that video is a punch line of a melodic lines, or the leading notes, punch line of melodic lines. That is the title of the next lesson coming, because we are going to use this chord, these notes here, to create a chord. So how are we going to create chords for these notes we've played? That will be in the next lesson, because I don't want the video to be more than 30, 25. No, it will sometimes make the lesson boring. So please, after this, wait for the next lesson. That is the punchline of melodic lines, or the punchline in the melodic lines. So let's end this case here. Don't forget to like the video. Rehearse more, because this will not take you one day. If I say it will take you today, you learn this, you can play everything today, I'm a liar. So the best thing to know is that it deals with constant rehearsal. So rehearse more on even a single topic. You rehearse and rehearse and rehearse. You get the full meaning of what I mean. In the next lesson, you rehearse, you capture that. So don't let it be in your mind that, oh, if I rehearse this one only today, I'm okay. So from now onwards, I've decided not to do the videos more or upload more than 3-4 videos a day. So if I do that, it will help increase my watch hour, my viewers, but that will not help you students to catch me up. So maybe 2 or once a day it will be normal, because sometimes the requests are piled up, so I have to speed up things. That's the reason why sometimes I upload 4 or 5 videos a day, because I have to serve my students as well, teach them well to get or answer their questions, to get answers to their questions. So sometimes, off and on, sometimes I will upload more, sometimes I will choose not to upload more for the sake of the beginners and those people who are back a little bit to catch us in this in all the lessons. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. Sometimes I say watch the videos for me, because I need watch hour, more of watch hour, so that it will help me. Even if you download the video, please try to watch the video. That's the reason why if you download more download, YouTube will sometimes restrict you from downloading the video. So sometimes you watch the video to avoid all those inconveniences. It will prevent you from downloading some other videos, and others too, it will not allow you to download them. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. I'm sure you help me reach my target on this channel. Thank you once again.